Hello everyone, you have been seeing people using templates in CapCut videos all the time, and now you want to know how can you use templates in your own videos. You're in the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly where and how can you use the templates in your videos using the CapCut video editor. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to head out to your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have the CapCut app updated to the latest version. After that, go ahead and open the app. Wait for it to fully load up. And once it does, you can tap on templates right here, but you'll find none here. That's why you're watching this video. I'll show you where and how can you add templates to this area. So quit from here and head out to your browser. Choose any browser and search for CapCut templates right there. From the results, open the first website. It should be by CapCut. You'll find a ton of templates right here. Go ahead and tap on the one that you want to use. Wait for a little bit and then tap on Get Started at the bottom of the screen right here. Once you tap there, you have to sign in your account using Google or Facebook or anything, and after that you'll be able to use that templates in your videos. Another place you can find the templates is TikTok. You have a ton of templates right there. Now tap right here in the top right corner to search for templates. Type in CapCut templates and then hit search. You'll find a ton of results right here. Open a template that you want to use and then tap on CapCut. Try this template right there. Again, tap on Use Template in the bottom on this red button. It will take you to the CapCut video editor. Now once you check out the template, tap on Use Template in the bottom right corner. It will take you to your camera roll, choose the videos and the pictures you want to use in this template, and then tap on Add in the bottom right corner. And here you go, you have used successfully templates in CapCut. If you're done, tap on Export in the top right corner. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.